Who are you? Who are you?
Tristan.
Oh. Well, it's funny, we found this kid exactly where Brad used to be. Over here. No, it's just... Alright, Joe.
What are we gonna do?
Let's put it this way. I'm in a you might need to evacuate zone. Danny's in a get the hell out of Dodge zone. They put out a mandatory evac for Danny.
Yeah. So we gotta evacuate Danny. That's what's going on. We got a hurricane about to hit us. I'm hoping this thing does not hit us and it just turns and it goes the other way.
Dude, the hurricane is so crazy. Look at this. You see that? Why are you here, Tristan?
Because I have no school for about all this week and maybe next week.
Why?
Because of a hurricane.
Holy, yeah, that's it.
It's a great time to be a kid.
Yeah, bring your kid to AfterPrisonShow.
So Dave's son's gonna be helping us today. Cody is actually on a plane right now going, he's getting out of Dodge.
So Tristan's gonna be the cameraman.
So look, I know they got child labor laws and all that.
So we just don't pay them. If you don't pay them, it's not child labor.
All right, we needed some help today. So Dave,
And I'm okay with it.
you heard it from Tristan. We're good.
He said he's okay with it. If you're okay, we're okay.
We're not gonna be. We're just kidding. But we gotta go get with Danny today because Danny literally his apartment's like 100 yards away from the beach. So he is definitely in a mandatory evacuation zone. We gotta evacuate Danny. And like there's traffic. There's major traffic out here right now.
Everybody's going somewhere.
I just left from the bank. They're almost out of money.
Are you kidding me? Well, that ain't no good.
I got a major charge on my account that looks like fraud. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that. That would be the major thing that we would be dealing with today if it weren't for the hurricane. Should we go to the P.O. box?
Might as well. I mean, what else we doing?
Yeah, trying to figure everything out.
I mean, we don't, I mean, today everybody, including us, is doing this. We're like, look, these people are in their vehicles going, so should we leave? Should we go? Let's just drive around and screw traffic up in the Tidewater area. I mean, it's so bad that they don't even want to slow traffic down. All the tolls have been suspended in the area. It is free to get away.
That's good though. And you know, you're gonna be getting out of here. You're gonna be going, you just went and seen probation today. Or probation, what did probation?
Probation was like, go. I don't care where you go. Just come back. Answer your phone. That's what the PO said. Answer your phone. So if things get a little hairy or fishy, and I don't mean that as a pun.
I mean, look at this guy. He's getting away on a bicycle.
He's like, yo, it's time to go. It's time to go.
He's about to take the bicycle on the interstate. He's getting the heck out of Dodge. Yeah, Dave goes to see his PO.
You should just take one of those.
We're not loot. Tristan, it's not to the point where we can loot yet. You can't loot things yet.
What do they call that? They call it martial law.
Oh God.
Look, this is gonna turn into the purge around here is what I'm telling you. Things are crazy. And I'm sticking it out. You went to probation and they told you, out of any time that they never tell you you can leave, they always tell you you can't go here, you can't go there. All of a sudden today they tell you, go. I don't care where you go.
Go, just answer your phone. I don't know.
What happens, that's a video idea right there. What happens with probation when it's the end of the world?
Dude, I went to my PO today and this guy, random probation officer, never seen before in my life, comes out the door, he's like, tore it off. I was like, yeah, I'm waiting for Mr. He's like, no, you're not. He gave you to me. And I was thinking to myself, like, damn, I feel like a used foster child.
Yeah, you just got a sloppy second.
But I'll tell you what, man, my new PO, he is, he's super cool, man. He was basically like, look, I'm gonna call you. And the only problem I will have is if you ever get a phone call from me and you don't answer, then you're in trouble.
Dang, that means you gotta answer. I mean, I miss phone calls all the time.
No, he's saying like, and then you know, I call back within a time limit. But he's saying like if I miss a meeting,
Yeah.
he's like, if I call you after you miss a meeting or something, answer your phone. We'll work it out. He's like, I'm not here to violate you. It's not why I'm here.
All right. Well, that's good. I'm glad that worked out for you, Dave. I'm glad you got that squared away. And again, you can get out of here. There's a potential you're going to be leaving, and I might just be sticking it out. I was thinking about going and getting the boat, putting it in the driveway, and if things get too bad, hopefully the boat floats.
I mean,
but you know, the crazy thing about it is the
there's
truck.
a hole in the boat.
Yeah, there's a leak in the boat. The boat's got the truck might float better than the boat will. So
Just get a running start.
Get a running start?
And then
For what?
If you take the truck and go as fast as you can, you might be able to drive on water.
that's what I'm talking about, Tristan. I like your thinking. Tried that one time before.
I was about to say, Joe, how's your record for driving on water?
I'm 0-1 right now, but I'm gonna be trying it again.
Looking like the Giants. God.
If a lizard can do it, then a boat should be able to.
That's what I'm talking about. Logic.
Logic.
So we're gonna go to the P.O. box real quick just because we need to game plan. We're gonna call Danny, we're gonna see what's going on with him. I gotta figure out where Danny's gonna go. There was a potential Danny was either gonna be staying with me or with Dave, and now Dave is pretty much out of the question, like the Giants in the playoffs. So what I'm saying is—
Oh my God, dude, I'm about to just throw the camera out the window. We can't do that all day. I threw a shot out there, I tried to Eminem myself, you know, maybe if I did it, I wouldn't, and then you come right with a banger. That was a tough one too. That hurt, like, knocked the wind out of me. I looked like Matt Stafford last night when he got sandwiched. He was on the ground like this. Look, he got hit and tried to get up and went.
You know, my defensive coordinator's thinking to himself, damn, I should have stayed in New England, because you know that's the new coach.
For who?
For the Lions.
Is y'all's defensive? Oh, the
Matt Patricia.
with the dude with the beard?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's our whole defense.
I knew I recognized. I couldn't remember where he came from.
He, like last year, he left. He went and interviewed with him. He said he was taking the job. Then he reneged on it, and he was like, nah. And now he's— I don't know what happened during the offseason.
Now he's there.
Now he's there. So, off of the football talk, Danny's probably going to be staying with me. I just talked with my wife about it. She's cool about it, but my wife's got super duper anxiety. She went through Katrina in Mississippi, and like she done shared some stories with me, and her dad done shared some stories with me. They had no power for 3 weeks, and they said that joint was like martial law. That it was like the end of the world. People were out there looting. People were out there threatening to come up in the house, saying, "Hey, we know you got food in that house. We're gonna come in there." But my wife's dad, he got a gun. I'm a convicted fella. I can't have me no gun.
Joe, I wasn't far from where you live for Isabel, right? We didn't have power for a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. And dude, it got crazy, man. I remember riding my bike up the Military Highway, and people were just throwing rocks into the gas station windows and going in and getting food and cigarettes.
Look, I'm gonna tell you, I was locked up for Isabel, and my dad told me afterwards, because he lived right on the water. He used to live right on the water. He said it flooded so bad up to the back of the house that there was literally a sailboat that was coming straight for the house. And he had to ride out on a damn boogie board to get to the boat and like moor the boat
Oh my
in the
God.
yard.
During the storm?
During the storm to stop it from hitting the house.
That would have been some crazy that would have been crazy.
So though that's like insanity right there, that's part of the reason why I'm not leaving. You know, because if something's gonna happen crazy,
if a boat is about to hit your truck, you want to be able to swim out and save the truck.
man, we got so much equipment at the crib. We got vehicles at the, you know.
You're gonna need to freaking like build a ramp and park the Jeep
Oh
up.
my God, and the bridge is open. This is insanity. It is so backed up. But it is what it is. We're gonna go check out this P.O. box real quick, and then we're getting up with Danny.
Do y'all see this traffic?
I knew I should have took the interstate.
We're going to the post office.
We're definitely worried about the wrong thing here.
What we worried about?
The wrong thing. We're going to the P.O. box today. You know we rarely ever get over here.
We're like, let's do it before the hurricane. See if we get any goodies.
This is just me being like having anxiety, not knowing what to do. So,
Tristan, what you got over there? Let me see. Come here. What you got? What is that? You don't know? Let's go. What number's on the key?
is there a number on the key?
61.
61. Can you reach up there? It's all the way to the top right corner or left corner. Turn it. Open. Bam. Package. Can you grab that? Is it heavy? It ain't
You can
too
leave it in
heavy. Joe, you got anything special up there?
Literally every letter is from somebody who's locked up. This is what I wanted the P.O. box to stand for. So
Get your butt in there.
Alrighty, Dave's on the phone with Danny. He's just getting off of the phone. What happened? What Danny trying to say?
Danny was like, I was like, hey, we're on the way to come get you. We're gonna put the moped in the back of the truck. Go ahead and pack a bag up. I said I got my kid with me, and you know he might come in the apartment. You know how he smokes in there. I was like, dude, I hate to ask you because it's your place, but you know, can you stop smoking in there like right now? So like while he's there, he doesn't have no issues. He was like, I'm putting a cigarette out right now, man. That's the baby. So he did that. He was like, I want to follow y'all on the moped. This thing will do almost 50. I was like, bro, we're getting on the interstate and we're going to do some things. Just pack a bag. We got the strap. We got the ratchet strap back there.
Well, we're definitely going on an adventure. We got to go evacuate Danny. Danny's going to end up staying with me throughout this hurricane, and it's bad out there. Where he lives at is already flood prone. So we're going to go get Danny.
A bad storm leaves you stranded. The other night when it was raining, I went to go see Terry and Devin and the baby, and we had to like go. We were in my girl's car. We had to like go around and like get in because the water in front of his house was already freaking like this deep from a regular storm.
Tell everybody what Danny just told you about the moped.
Danny crashed the moped, but he was only going like a few miles an hour. He was turning around in some gravel. He hit the front brakes, which he knew better. We told him. He actually told me he knew better than to do that. And
he's kind of banged up.
He laid it down. Yeah, he scraped up his leg. He hit his face a little bit. He scraped up, but he said he got up. It didn't hurt. He just got scratched up.
A lot going on, and we got to get on the road right now.
And the reason why he had to go through the gravel was because he couldn't go through the water. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Danny! I was just nodding up right here. Oh, hi.
Well, you got the place looking nice, man.
Yeah, you see the room? You got a TV over there too?
You got 2 TVs in here?
Yeah.
Boy, you balling.
Look at this.
Oh, man.
It spins out, yeah. This one's standing. That's where we're coming from right here.
Yeah, we saw the moped out there. Damn, Dan, you got 8 up.
Right here, side of my face.
Jesus, man.
Yeah,
You okay?
I hit the ground. Yeah, I just spinned out. What happened? I hit the front brakes. I shouldn't have.
When did this happen, today?
Yeah. I went out for a spin.
Ow.
You got to be careful, man. You work, man.
Yeah.
Tristan, this is Danny. Danny, this is my son.
Oh, sure. Hey, nice to meet you. Young blood.
He's a little miniature Dave.
He's looking at tattoos. Say, wow, look at that. It's all covered.
Got tattoos everywhere.
Yes.
Well, this is going to be fun loading this in this.
Here, Tristan, come here. Come here. I'm putting you to work. Turn around. Can you see this?
Yeah.
You got to make sure that you got us on here.
You got to kind of lift it up, Dave.
Put the whole thing. Oh, gosh.
Tristan, come look at the side of this bike. Look at these scratches. Yeah, she got some scratches.
A little bit.
the light.
Ain't nothing but a little wear and tear.
The light, you can't see it.
You know what's crazy? Hey, when he came in, the first thing Dave said, he zoomed in on my leg and my eye. That's crazy. Don't do that. Don't put me out like that.
Danny, it happens to the best of them, man.
Oh, man.
It happened to me. It's happened to Dave.
I hit the front brakes, man. It just, who is it? I didn't see it. I tell you what, whatever they did, that tune-up is hitting. That tune-up, yeah. That baby goes.
Let it
Yeah,
go.
yeah, hits 450. Oh, is that what happened?
Rocking. Dude, if you could see what I'm seeing with this mirror, with the reflection of the sun right now, it almost looks like...
Yeah. I'm just saying you won't need that. If you hook...
Dave, good job, man. Just want to tell you, good job.
Extra job.
We got Dave.
And he was wrapping up the whole truck.
Dave's son.
You know something? I'm going to use you for Christmas package wrapping for real, bro. I need you.
And we got Danny. And we got the moped.
Yes, sir.
And it's strapped down thanks to Dave.
Oh, yeah.
Is it going anywhere?
Christmas time package.
Fuck it. I'm so hot, I'm like, you know what? Bye. Danny, how you feeling, man?
I'm hurting.
I'm sweaty.
Yeah, I'm okay though, man.
What are you?
It's hot up. It's crazy.
Yeah, you were out there cameramanning.
It's crazy how we're having this.
Watch out, Cody.
Over there.
Yeah, Danny, how's it feel thinking that, you know, you just got your place and now you got to evacuate?
I didn't want to go. You know, it's crazy how the sun is out. It's like 90 degrees, and then all of a sudden, in 2 seconds later, there's going to be a nasty storm where everybody's going to evacuate their area, especially the coastal line.
Yeah, you're right on the beach too, man.
Yeah, I didn't want to go. You know,
I'm in the.
My sister kept telling me, and you and Dave kept telling me I can't be down here, so I just took your advice and we'll go with you.
Me and Joe were talking about it. Actually, if you're in a mandatory zone, they can come get you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to use a SWAT team.
That's what I was about to say. It's gonna be a whole nother cell extraction video.
And that's why we're getting you now. We're gonna get ahead of the storm.
And ahead of the bull.
Yeah, and ahead of any kind of problems. We don't want to see you in no bad situation. And then, you know, had we waited, we might not have been able to get down here.
The
There
show,
goes the
ladies
news
and
right there.
Yeah, they're coming down to get ready.
I don't know what they down here for. They must have had a shooting or something, because ain't no water down here right now.
They're coming to post up.
Yeah, but you know what the
They're
big
gonna
story
say
was?
a before and after.
Ooh. Well, my kid might be on top of things. Did you hear what he said?
No, what is that?
He said they might be down here to get some footage because they're gonna do a before and after.
Look,
Look at
this
it.
is evacuation right here. This is evacuation traffic right here.
They're all heading north.
And this car is trying to cut in. And please get out of my way. See, what you just did here, that was a real bad thing that you did. You should have waited your turn. Now you're in my way. Now you're in my way. And ain't nobody gonna let you in. They don't need to let you in. See, look, now you need to bust a U-turn and go wait your turn. Ain't no cutting it. Oh, you going. Oh, you cheating. Oh, you wrong for that.
Dude,
That's straight up.
that traffic was ridiculous. Did you see it? It was just stopped.
That's straight up penitentiary.
Yeah, man, you ain't gonna cut me in line for my tray. There's no traffic in our direction.
No, I think it's the opposite way.
But look at this.
Yeah, you see that? There's no traffic this way.
Oh my God, look how far it's back up. There's not a car on the road where we're going. We on some straight storm chases. I don't know what we're waving at them for, Dave. We're the ones that are looking crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Bye. Dude, it's for days, bro. Dude, for days. I've never seen it this backed up.
So we got Danny over at the crib, at the AfterPrisonShow studio, right? And Dave, man, what'd you do, Dave?
You know, we just went to the P.O. box, And I was going through the mail, and one of them said to Danny on the bottom, so I gave it to him.
What was in the envelope?
$30.
$30.
Hey, well, how do you know? You went in my mail?
Hey, that's all right, man. Who sent the letter?
Her name was Robin.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
Hey, Robin.
Heck yeah,
You
we got.
gotta forgive me. I had a little spill. I hit some gravel and.
Danny's all busted up.
But
Danny.
I'm okay. I'm still here. I'm hanging. Just a little sore.
Tristan, what you think of Danny?
What do you
I
think
think
about
that
it?
he's cool.
There you go.
There you go. That's my man. Yes, sir.
So Danny's all banged up. We was gonna make a video. Danny told me no, don't make it, man. Danny got beat up by the moped. He said, don't make that video.
Don't tell the world that.
And what you doing, Dave?
Oh man.
Hold on. What you think you about?
Oh, look,
Oh,
remember
you
when
got
you
places
told me
to
about
fight
the
in.
story of this? You were like, it's kind of all over the place, whatever?
Yeah.
It's based in the future of Spider-Man. It's like,
Yeah, I know you're talking about Spider-Man right now, Dave, but what time is it? I'm saying, hey, Danny, when you at work and you on that roof,
Yes.
do y'all be playing Spider-Man?
Hell no.
See, that's why I'm just trying to.
bro, you're about to have me go manually fill bags of sand.
I'm not even sure we're doing that.
This is the,
You want
This
some?
is-
I mean, Tristan can play Spider-Man. You want to play Spider-Man?
Yeah.
There you go.
hold up,
Let me ask you a question. Is that what you need to do? Do some sandbags? I'll help you. Even banged up, I'll help you.
See, that's what I'm talking about, man. Dave,
I get
your
that.
job, boy. Hey, let me just say something real quick,
No,
Dave.
but it gets done. You just got to get the momentum. That's the thing, the momentum.
Joe, don't-
You got into this.
don't do
this
that
Game
to me,
Boy.
man.
What's it called?
Don't-
Game Boy.
Yeah, it's
stuff?
Game Boy stuff. It's game. I call it something else, but I ain't gonna put it. I ain't gonna put it out there right now. We need to get Danny playing a video game. Danny's reaction to video games.
I just see it's amazing. I don't know how they do that. They didn't have this on 70s.
Where are we at?
we're at the Dollar Tree.
All right, that was a total waste of time going to Dollar Tree. They never broke out the water, and we ain't got time to wait on it. Danny is not doing good at all right now. Danny's definitely dealing with this, what we're thinking is a concussion, so we're gonna try to help him get some rest. And I feel bad. I gotta get ready to go help do some sandbags. Dave, you gonna help me do this?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get Tristan out there too.
Oh, word.
Help you out.
Danny, I don't know, brother. I might just have you just chill out and relax for a little while, man, because I don't want to put no extra strain on you. You were definitely going through it, and I'm literally trying to figure out like what concussion protocol is. Danny fell off his moped earlier, and we were, making some jokes about it, because he was able to laugh and joke about it a little bit. It's embarrassing. It's happened to me before. It's happened to Dave before.
Yeah.
I'm driving and filming, mind you. Just wanted to throw that out
At
there.
least you're not texting.
Danny hit his head when this happened. So,
He had his helmet on, but he smacked his face, he said.
and he ain't doing too hot.